Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the update which I received in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do join in my Telegram group as well if you want to get some sample images or any other promo codes, free promo code regarding the Android application reviews. And do check the links in description for the playlist of the Redmi Note 9 Pro, so you can find plenty of other videos. Even there is a PUBG battle and test video as well. So there is a playlist, links in description, friends, for all. So there is a May update which I have received in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'll be going through the few of the features which got added in this update. So let me show you the settings update, and here you can see, friends, which is a May security update which is received. And first fix is that Wi-Fi connection has been fixed. So before the Wi-Fi connection, occasionally it used to disconnect, friends, even while playing. When I'm doing PUBG test, or when I'm doing continuous YouTube draining test, I saw this kind of the disconnection in the Wi-Fi, but with this update it got fixed, so that's a good thing. And another thing is just an security update which we get for every month, April, May and June as well. So this is just small information, friends, regarding the what update and what are the features and what are the things got fixed in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel, friends. In the future, if I receive any other big updates, then definitely I'll try to do a video on that as well. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can check the playlist, so where you can find plenty of useful videos in the playlist, friends. So don't forget to check the playlist, so which will be very helpful for you all. So that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.